how to use code on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use code on Shein. In order to use coupon or code on Shein, you'll have to first of all log in into your Shein account, and then it's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. You can use a coupon on a checkout process where you can actually get certain amount of discount. So in order to use a coupon or to code, you need to first of all select a product that you actually wish to add it or that you actually wish to purchase. So I'm going to go with this one. So after that, you need to go ahead and select the item, size, quality and all that, and then click on add to cart. After the product has already been added to the cart, you can either continue shopping or you can simply go to the checkout process and select the item that you actually wish to go with. And after that, you need to go to the checkout button and enter in your shipping address, and finally it's going to direct you to the payment section where you can go ahead and apply the coupon or gift card. After you've done entering the coupon or gift card, then you'll be able to get a certain amount of discount on the following purchase, and that's basically how you can use coupon on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.